Mazda committed itself to the joy of driving. We call it Jinba Itai, a Japanese term which expresses the unity between horse and rider. For us, it's more the harmonious relationship between car and driver. The driver should feel the unity to his car and enjoy a safe and confident driving. To achieve this specific Mazda feeling, we have different solutions. The vehicle structure, for example, is extraordinarily stiff. And with a stiff body, we have very fast response to any input which comes from accelerating, braking or steering, because the body transfers the forces much quicker. And with this quick response, it delivers the driver a very agile and very joyful driving. Another solution is our electric motor pedal. Together with the highly responsive electric motor, the MX-30 delivers a very intuitive and natural drive. The response delay between the driver input and the vehicle reaction is much shorter compared to a gasoline or diesel vehicle. Another important factor is sound. We use sound in conventional vehicles to understand intuitively the level of torque which an engine is producing. But for an electric vehicle, there is not much more to sound. So that's why we developed a sound system which gives us, through our audio system, a very good feedback about the torque which is delivered by our powertrain. And by this, the driver is able to understand the speed of his vehicle intuitively. The last factor is our eGVC+. This is a specific technology which we have developed for an electric vehicle, which enhances our agility and stability when cornering the vehicle. We use the modulation of the motor torque to create different wheel loads at the front and rear wheels. And by this we achieve that the vehicle easily turns into a curve and is more stable when it gets out of the curve. This gives the driver a very confined ride, and this function is available only on Mazda cars.
The way that a space is designed, the way that an object is designed, has the power to influence the way that we feel. Understanding the background of a material, the quality of a material, has the potential to improve our experience.
If you create something really beautiful and aesthetical, you discover that something is sustainable, I think that is really adding an extra value. From the outside it looks really robust, and it really doesn't tell you that it's an electric car.
One of the lovelier features of the car is the fact that the doors open outwards, which allows you to transition from the outdoor environment to the interior environment. It's designed almost as a living space.
Using the recycled materials like the cork and the PET textiles, they look of high quality, so you also don't notice in the first instant that it's recycled. So also with my work, first glance you don't see the materials that are being used, but if you take a closer look, then you discover the story.
Materiality is something that's really important for me in my own work, and you can see that that is important also when you look at the car. The attention to detail, those fine finishes, craftsmanship on the interior, it's very precise, very beautifully done.